Have you ever been driving down the road and seen a message like this pop up on your BMW X5 or similar series type car? Well, then it's time to add some oil. First, you're going to open up the driver's side door and pull on this lever to unlatch the hood. Then pull the hood lever and open it up and look for a cap with a picture of an oil can, and usually it has the word Castrol on it. And I looked through my service records to find what type of oil was used last time in the oil replacement and try to get about the same kind. And about 1 quart should be enough to fill it back up to a normal level. And you can see here, after pulling off the cap and popping the top, then I just carefully try to pour the oil into the hole and then stick the whole container into it. And you could just wedge it in there and leave it for about a minute or two until all the oil comes out. And after replacing the cap and closing the hood, we're ready to go. And that message on the dashboard should just disappear. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.